सभी को इंग्लिश मीडियम के इस अंक में DSO क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्यूशन इंग्लिश मीडियम में DSO मेन एग्जाम 26 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 के इस अंक में आप सभी का स्वागत है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, this question is pie chart. The following pie chart represents the online sales in percentage of 7 models of first 10,000 cars of Maruti in year 24. Study the chart carefully and answer the questions given below. Online sales of car 24 में मारुति का ऑनलाइन सेल्स ऑफ कार दिया हुआ है। अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट सेगमेंट सेलेरियो 23%, सेकेंड सेगमेंट डिजायर 12%, थर्ड सेगमेंट स्विफ्ट 20%, वैगनर आर 10%, WR 10%, रिट्ज 13%, इग्निस 16%, इग्निस 16%, and Alto 6%. So all together 100%, all together 100%. So percentage distribution, we know that new type question 6 into 3.6 is equal to 21.6 degree. 16 into 3.6 6 degree. 12 into 3.6 43.2 degree. 13 into 3.6 equals to 48.8 degree. 10 into 3.6 equals to 36 degree. 2072 degree. 12 43.2 degree. 23 into 3.6 72 10.8 82.8 degree. So in the case of central angle, in the case of percentage 21.6 degree, 57.6 degree, 48.8 degree, 36 degree. So this is the new question. We know that in the case of pie chart, there are three types of representation. In the case of percentage, x1%, x2%, x3%, x4%, x5%, x6%, so total 100%. In the other sense, central angle, case of central angle 360 total, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4, theta 5, theta 6, total together 360. And third representation value P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. So this is the basic concept, total P log. So distribution value according to question 65 means 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh, 3.5 lakh, 4 lakh, 4.5 lakh and so on. So this is the three types of presentation. In the case of percentage, example DSO 69 mains and others BPSC exam, central angle 70 BPSC mains, 64, 62 and etc. or value 65 BPSC main, sales of toaster. So this is three types of presentation. One time percentage, similar fashion, other times central angle and other times value. There are three types of presentation in the case of pie chart. So here, according to question, first question, how many cars are sold of most popular brand of Maruti? यहाँ पर जो मारुति का है उसमें सबसे पॉपुलर, वी नो दैट मोस्ट पॉपुलर 23%, most popular because maximum sale percent 23, so this is most popular, and 6%, so this is the lowest popular or highest. So first of all, first question, how many cars are sold of most popular brand of Maruti? Eight A, 4 Maruti car in year 24, online total sales of car 10,000. From figure, models, percentage, sales of car model 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First model is Celerio 23%, Desire 12%, Swift 20%, Wagoner R 10%, Ritz model 13%, Tigris 16%, Alto 6%, and total 100%. So most popular car 23% and lowest popular car 6%. In arrangement 23, 20, 16, 13, 12, 10, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maximum percentage sales, minimum percentage sales. So this is most popular brand of Maruti. Maruti is Celery. Celery model. So this is the required answer. Second question, how many more cars of model Wagner are sold than model Alto? So first of all, we consider इसका नंबर भी इसमें आप चाहें तो दे सकते हैं. 23% of 10,000 equals to 2300 and 6% of 10,000 equals to 600. So this is the most popular cell, also in percentage or also in number or also in central India. So second question, B part. First of all, we consider Wagner R and Alto. So 8B, total sales of car equals to 10,000. For Alto model, percentage sales equals to 6% and total sales equals to 6% of 10,600. Further, case of Wagner R, for Wagner R model, percentage sales of car equals to 10% and total sales of car equals to 10% of 10,000 equals to 1,000. So many more cars many more Wagoner are sold then Alto equals to 1000 minus 600 equals to 400 more. So this is the required answer. Third segment, C part. What is the average sales of model Celerio, Swift and Ignis? तीनों का सबसे पहले टोटल निकालना है, फिर 3 मॉडल से डिवाइड करना है, तब जाकर के एवरेज प्राप्त होगा. So first of all keep in mind C total sales of car equals to 10,000. Model percentage sales of model total sales 1, 2, 3. So first model Celerio 23%. 23% of 10,000 equals to 2,300. Second model Swift. So 20% of 10,000 equals to 200, and finish total 16% of 10,000 equals to 1,600. Operation is done by calculator. So sum together 5,900. So required average sales of car equals to total sales together upon total number of model. Total number of model equals to 3. So 5,900 divided by 3. Operation is done by calculator. 1966.67 equals to 967 cars. This is the required average. B part. What is the central angle of sector formed by Swift in pie chart? Central angle Swift. B from figure percentage sales of Swift equals to 20%. We know that 100% equals to 360 and 1% equals to 3.6 degree. So central angle of Swift model at the center in case of pie chart equals to 20 into 3.6 equals to 72. Also another method, total sales of car 10,000, percentage sales of Swift equals to 20%, total sales of Swift equals to 20% of 10,000, 2,000. So central angle made by Swift at the center, Swift at the center equals to 2,000 upon 10,000 into 360. So operation is done by calculator 72. This is the required answer. B part, what is the total sales of 3 cars model Ritz, Dzire and Alto? What is the total sales of car model Ritz, Dzire and Alto? This question सेम, इसमें सबसे पहले टोटल निकाल के तब एवरेज में गए थे, यहाँ टोटल तक ही रुक जाना है. तो सी क्वेश्चन और ई क्वेश्चन जो है सो सेम है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कीप इन माइंड कि total sales of car, total sales of car equals to 10,000. Model percentage sales of model car, total sales 1, 2, 3 total. 3 model Ritz, Dzire and Alto. This percentage from figure 13, 12, 6. 13% of 10,000 equals to 1,300. 12%, 1,200. Percent of 10,000 equals to 600. So total 3100. Operation is done by calculator. So hence total sales of these three models together equals to 3100. So this is the required answer. And F, which model of car has lowest online sales in 24? Which model of cars has lowest online sale in 24? If we remove sector from pie chart with lowest sale and from another pie chart with remaining 6 model, then how much percentage of Swift sector increases? So first of all, total sales of car equals to 10,000. 2024 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 Celerio 23%, 2300. Desire 12%, 1200. Swift 20%, 200. Wagner R 10%, 1000. Ritz 13%, 1300. Ignis 16%, 1600. 6%, 600. So this value lowest sales, lowest sales. According to question, remove lowest sales of car, that is 600. So total sales of car remaining 6 model equals to 10,000 minus 600 equals to 9400. 9400. According to question, percentage sales of Swift 20% and total sales of Swift model equals to 2000. Then new percentage sales of Swift model is equals to 2000 upon 9400 into 100. Operation is done by calculator, 21.27%. So before Swift percent 20, after 50% in case total 10,000, total 9400, percentage equals to 21.27%. So much percentage of Swift sector increased by 21.27 minus 21.27%. This is the required answer. So यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने इस सेक्टर का डिटेल में एक्सप्लेनेशन इंग्लिश में किया। आप लोग यदि इंग्लिश मीडियम में बुक चाहते हैं तो मेरे द्वारा लिखा गया वॉल्यूम 1 और वॉल्यूम 2, ये वॉल्यूम 1 और ये वॉल्यूम 2 दोनों को आप बाज़ार में भी खरीद सकते हैं और ऑनलाइन भी मंगा सकते हैं। तो उसके लिए आप मोबाइल नंबर 9934902040, 9835406716 संपर्क कर सकते हैं इस पर। ऑनलाइन क्लास, ऑफलाइन क्लास, ऑफलाइन क्लास अशोक राजपथ पिलर नंबर 58, पटना यूनिवर्सिटी अपोजिट पीयू गेट, रमना रोड कॉर्नर, आदित्य GMC IAS एकेडमी, आदित्य GMC IAS एकेडमी और ऐप आदित्य IAS। डाउनलोड करके भी संपर्क कर सकते हैं। कोई भी दिक्कत समस्या जुड़ने के लिए 9934902040 9835406716 व्हाट्सएप कॉलिंग। इंग्लिश मीडियम में सेपरेट बैच, हिंदी मीडियम में सेपरेट बैच, न्यू बैच 6 PM से शुरू हुआ है। जुड़ना चाहते हैं 71वीं 72वीं फाउंडेशन बैच, पीटी स्पेशल मैथ्स रीजनिंग 10 मार्क्स, उसके लिए भी बुक आ गया है, उससे भी जुड़ सकते हैं 10 मार्क्स। और मेन एग्जाम 72 BPSC मेंस। तो पीटी में भी 10 नंबर और पहले से पढ़ें। 71वीं 72वीं के लिए भी बेसिक फाउंडेशन बैच, इसमें आपको सुविधा मिलता है कि अभी से आप 72वीं मेंस तक जितनी बार पढ़ेंगे, पैसा एक ही बार लगता है, एक मेंस में 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार आप कर सकते हैं। और क्लासेस रोज़ होती है 1 आवर की, तो फाउंडेशन के लिए भी जुड़ सकते हैं। और पीटी में CSAT में कोई समस्या हो, मैथ्स रीजनिंग, तो उसके लिए भी आप कर सकते हैं। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय बिहार।